I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Leah.
And we're about to go on a nature walk
To show you how neat nature is.
instead of us just knowing it. I'm about to climb a mountain. It's called the Velocity Dike. Here we go. Oh man, this is gonna be a tough one. Oh, it really is a tough one. It's a landslide! We like to pack a gun. Pack some meat. No, pack a gun.
We like to say to nature, hey, you're pretty neat, but we respect your distance.
Yeah!
Smells like some real shit in here.
This is a national monument. It's called the Pink Flamingo. What a beaut. How neat is that?
Ginge!
It's quite a night.
Quite a night for nature, that is. They're all sleeping. Jesus, tits.
This is a fun nature walk, man.
Do this again. Let me just
Find some
I had to find a good rock though.
No, I just did.
For some nature.
Can't find any rocks to stir up some nature.
We're at the Pink Flamingo. About to stir up some nature to show you how neat it is.
Yep. Yep, yep. That's not good enough.
This is a children's bike. You can tell it's a children's bike by the way that it is. The tire's flat.
How neat is that? That's pretty neat. About to cross a flooding river. We're gonna have to jump. It's
Ready?
gonna be a little scary. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, they made it! Is he awake? Oh, I see him. He's sleeping.
Now, we're about to wake a sleeping bear from his cave.
I don't know where to go.